What is web development? It's the process of building websites and web applications that you see and use on the internet. Think of it as creating the magic that makes the internet work. There are three main components of web development: HTML, hypertext markup language. This is the foundation. HTML is like the skeleton of a web page, defining its structure and content. It's all about headings, paragraphs, images, and links. CSS, cascading style sheets. CSS adds beauty to the structure. It's like the skin and makeup for your web page. It controls how things look, colors, fonts, layout, and more. JavaScript. This is the brain and interactivity. JavaScript adds functionality to your website. It can make things move, change, and interact with users. Now that we know the components, let's talk about the process. Web development usually involves these steps. Planning. First, you plan what your website will look like and what it will do. Think of it as drawing a blueprint before building a house. Coding. This is where the magic happens. You write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code to create your website based on your plan. Testing. After coding, you test your website to make sure everything works as expected. It's like a dress rehearsal before a big show. Deployment. Once everything is perfect, you deploy or upload your website to a web server. This makes it accessible to people on the internet. To become a web developer, you'll need some tools: a code editor, like VS Code or Sublime Text, a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, etc., a version control system like Git, hosting or server space for deploying your website. If you're excited to learn web development, there are tons of free resources online, including interactive tutorials, courses, and coding communities. Don't forget to practice, practice, practice.